Hi, let's talk about what makes mediation successful. I'm Jim Crayveld, lead attorney and founder of Crayveld Family Law. The ultimate goal of mediation is to settle your dispute. So let's talk about 5 reasons why it's beneficial to settle during mediation. First of all is conflict. You can avoid conflict and potentially preserve somewhat of your relationship with the opposing party if you can go to mediation and discuss settlement issues and do so civilly without slinging mud. If you end up going to trial and you have to bring out negative facts about each other, it doesn't get any better, and that can affect your ability to work with each other and cooperate with each other throughout the years following, especially if you have kids and you have to work with each other. There's a good reason to at least avoid conflict and preserve what relationship that you do have. The second thing is cost. Trials. They take forever to get scheduled. They take long to conduct them. There are often delays. There are adjournments. You have to prepare for them. You have to bring in all of your witnesses, your experts. Attorney's fees are expensive. It's expensive. Third is control. If you go to mediation, you and your ex can sit and figure out, what do we want for parenting time? Let's take into account each other's schedules, the kids' schedules. You know your life better than anybody else. You know what pieces of property are important to you. The judge doesn't. And they may just put in a cookie cutter response to say, this is how we're going to deal with your personal property. This is how we're going to deal with your kids. Fourth issue is convenience. And you've got confidentiality. When you're in a mediation, there's just a trained mediator. There's you, the other side, your attorney, their attorney. You may even be in separate rooms, but it's private. It's not a court proceeding. That's open to the public. Anybody can attend your hearings. Anybody can attend your trial, and they can review your court pleadings. Anything that you file with the court system is open to the public. Lastly is you get conclusion. You get finality. If you reach an agreement, it's probably not going to be set aside on appeal because you're going to do what's best for your kids and you're going to do what's fair. If you go to trial, it can be always subject to an appeal, and you're spending a lot more money with a lot less certainty. So those are the initial good reasons why a person would go to mediation and get their case settled instead of going to trial. Until next time, bye-bye.